everyone, today we are going to see collaborative task. In 3D experience, a collaborative task refers to a shared activity where team members work together on a project in real time. It enables simultaneous editing, reviewing, and tracking of progress within a unified environment. Collaborative tasks streamline communication, enhance productivity, and foster synergy among contributors, facilitating efficient project completion. So let's see how exactly it works. Before that, let me introduce myself. This is Amit Kumar Sarangi, working as a solution specialist at Concept Check Connect. Let's begin with creating a new task, for which I am requesting my designer to make some design modification, which is changing the fillet value. Each task has end date, which can be specified and tracked here as well. Here I can attach any reference material for the designer to complete the task as an attachment. Then finally I can inform to the concerned designer by tagging him with a comment. This is how very easily I can assign a task to any of the concerned designer or any of my team member. The task that has been allocated to the concerned designer will be conveyed to him with a notification. With a simple drag and drop, the designer can open the attached file in SolidWorks directly. The task will change from to-do state to in-work state when the designer will start work on it. Once the design has been modified as required, the designer can save the data to the cloud with a single click. The designer can now finish the task by attaching the updated design to the deliverable section. Lastly, the designer can tag me with a comment updating the task status. And finally, I will receive a notification whenever the designer finishes the task. I can review the design and validate it using by simply drag and dropping the content to the SolidWorks. I can review the design and validate it using simply dragging and dropping the attached file from deliverables and confirm the same with a comment. Hence, this is how the team can communicate with each other extremely successfully and complete the design work quickly. 3D Experience Collaborative Task streamlines teamwork by offering real-time collaboration, 3D visualization for clearer decision making, and integrated tools for efficient workflow. With cloud-based access, team can collaborate remotely with ease. Concurrent editing and version control ensure alignment and minimize errors. Overall, the platform accelerates project timelines, foster innovation, and empower teams to achieve greater success in product development and design processes. With this, to get more information on 3D Experience platform, please connect to our technical support team. Thank you.